Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a high quality body off the frame restored Chevelle convertible with the SS454 package, factory air, the gauge package, bucket seats, console, F41 suspension. It's a great car. If you go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, see the photos top to bottom, get the price on this one and a few hundred other collector cars, all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified. You'll see these first as they come out. But right now, I notice the top's down. Let's go for a spin. Actually, I've already taken this car for a spin. I've driven it home a couple days, drove it around in the evenings. I had my wife, my daughter out in the car. My wife even said, man, that's a nice one. It's just one of those comfortable cruisers, you know, 2 fingers on the wheel, just gliding down the road. It stops, steers, does everything just right. Really well-built car. Again, body off the frame restored. The whole car was done. It has about 7,000 miles on it since it was finished. So the bugs are worked out. They took good care of it. It looks like it was just done. So the guy that I got it from took excellent care of the car. Underneath, looks like beautiful clean floors, you know, all the factory ribs and plugs and everything, seams all look really nice. The whole front end's been rebuilt. It has disc brakes in the front. Bottom of the motor's clean. The starter looks new. Turbo 350 automatic. Has finned aluminum oil pan on it. Exhaust system looks new. That's the F41 suspension, which includes sway bars front and back. Also has box control arms. I think this one had air shocks under the back too. 12-bolt rear end. So really nice underneath. The body it's a high-end professional job. It's show quality. It's smooth all along the bottoms. It's just as glossy here as it is down at the bottom. Stripes are painted on, smooth to the touch. You don't even feel them. It's got the SS hood with the hood pins. Everything up here looks new. The headlight bezels, the marker lights, the grille, all that looks really nice. There's a chip right here on the edge of the fender I noticed. They put some nice Cragar wheels on here, chrome ones, new wheel well moldings, emblems, new windshield. All this stainless trim is either restored or new. It's all bright and shiny. Sport mirrors, new rubber, new door handles. Look at the gaps. Right on the money. Real nice. Of course, there's the boot. All this is real nice. New emblems, tail light lenses, bumper. All that looks new. Got the cowbell exhaust tips. Super clean trunk compartment. New well liner, new mat. Has a chrome rally wheel for a spare. Tire looks new. Has the jack. Very neatly spatter painted. All the yellows painted as nice as the outside. The wiring looks new. New weather strip. The jambs painted beautifully. So that's a show quality trunk compartment. The convertible top is a black cloth top. These came vinyl. It's a nice upgrade to go with the cloth. It's a richer, a little higher class look to it. Door jambs are as slick as the outside. Bottom of the doors are clean. Weather strips are new. All clean and smooth. Clean fenders, no bubbles. Actually, I haven't, other than that nick, I haven't seen a flaw yet. Nope, that rubs off. So the paint and body work was done right because there's no issues, no surprises. It is chipped right here on the edge of the hood too, just right on the edges because there's such close tolerances. So it has the cowl induction air cleaner. It's a 454 motor. This is show quality in here. The alternator looks new. The air conditioning works. It has a new compressor. The valve covers are new. All the wiring, all the components, everything is new, tidy, proper. The original smog vacuum lines are hooked up. It's got power steering, power brakes, a Delco battery topper, new horns, new fan shroud. Look how nice that is there. Bottom of the door is clean. Door panel's immaculate. It's not beat up or kicked or warped. Armrest, window cranks, all that looks new. The seats are not only reupholstered, but they've been restuffed. All the chrome and plastic trim on the seats are new. It has seat belts front and back. It has little round speakers built into the kick panels. They're painted to match the interior. The whole dash is new. It has a stereo in the glove box, a modern stereo with a remote control, power top. Got the console with the horseshoe shifter. So beautiful inside and out. We'll start it up for you. I'm not even going to get in this one. I'm just going to start it from here. Runs beautifully. It rides nice. Again, I personally will assure you this car runs, drives, and functions really well. Motor doesn't skip a beat. Wiper motor looks new. Everywhere. I'm looking down at the steering box, the coupler, all of it's in excellent condition. It's got an auxiliary electric fan to keep it cool. The gap is good. It's just if you're sloppy, if you twist it when you close it, you might chip it. So you just have to be careful, and it won't touch if you're careful. And really, that's the only flaw, are those two touch-ups on the edges. Everything else is beautiful. There is a seam right here, and there is a hairline crack. All the convertibles do that. They stress right there. Got a nice sound. Isn't that idle? Just smooth, comfortable car to cruise. So visit volocars.com. Whole staff of people here to answer your questions or concerns about the buying process or about the car, the delivery, the financing, all at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy the videos. Click on the bell icon if you want to be the first to see them. So thanks for watching, and hope you come back for more.